Hello, and thank you for taking just 15 minutes to understand something that's already changing your life. You've probably used AI today. Maybe you asked your phone for directions. Maybe you got a message suggestion while texting a friend. Maybe your music app played that one song you didn't even know you wanted to hear. But have you ever stopped to wonder? How does it know? Let's find out. No tech terms, no code, no jargon, just real life. Think of AI like a very, very good student. Imagine you're teaching a child to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. You don't say, "A cat has retractable claws and a flexible spine." That's too confusing. Instead, you show them pictures. You point and say, "This one cat, this one dog, this one cat, this one dog." After 100 pictures, after 1,000 pictures, after 10,000 pictures, the child starts noticing things on their own. Cats have pointy ears and tiny noses. Dogs have bigger muzzles and floppy ears. Cats sit quietly, dogs wag their tails. They didn't memorize a rule book. They learned by seeing patterns. That's exactly how AI learns. But instead of a child, it's a computer program. Instead of pictures, it reads millions of sentences, listens to millions of voices, watches millions of videos. It doesn't think like you or me. It doesn't feel happy or sad. It doesn't know what a cat is. It just knows what a cat looks like, sounds like, or is written like. And that's enough. Example, one text to voice how your phone talks. You've probably used text-to-speech. You type, "Please remind me to call mom at 6 p.m. And your phone speaks it out loud naturally, like a real person. How? AI has listened to thousands of hours of real human speech. It heard how people say "remind me" with a slight pause before to call. It heard how mom is said with warmth, not flatly. It learned that a period means a small pause. A question mark, a little rise in tone. It didn't learn from a rule like, "Say mom" with a higher pitch. It learned from examples. Thousands of them. So when you type a sentence, AI looks at all the patterns it's seen before and picks the most natural way to say it. That's why your phone doesn't sound like a robot anymore. It sounds like someone who knows how to talk. Example 2, your phone's suggested replies. You get a text. "Hey, are you free for coffee tomorrow?" And your phone suggests, "Sure, 10 a.m. Sorry, busy." Love to what time? Where did those come from? AI has read billions of texts. It noticed that when someone says, "Are you free for coffee?" people often reply with a yes plus time, a no plus reason, a yes plus question back. So it guesses not perfectly every time, but often enough that it feels helpful. It's not reading your mind. It's reading patterns from millions of conversations you didn't even know it saw. Example 3, music that feels like it knows you. You listen to a playlist called Chill Vibes. It plays songs you've never heard before. But somehow they're perfect. How? AI doesn't know what chill means emotionally. But it knows that people who like this song also liked that one, and clicked skip on this one, and listened to this playlist at 9 p.m. on a Friday. It connects the dots across millions of listeners. It finds hidden patterns. People who like acoustic guitar, plus soft drums, plus slow tempo usually like this song. It's not magic. It's math. But it feels like magic because it feels personal. Example 4, photo filters and face unlock. You take a selfie. Your phone adds a filter, soft skin, big eyes, glowing lights. Or you unlock your phone just by looking at it. How? AI has seen millions of faces. It learned that eyes are usually two dark ovals above a nose, that a smile curves upward, that shadows fall in certain places under the cheekbones. It doesn't recognize you as a person. It recognizes your face pattern, the shape of your eyebrows, the distance between your eyes, the way your jawline curves. That's why it works even if you grow a beard or wear glasses. It's not remembering you. It's remembering patterns and adapting. Example 5, me, your AI writer. You asked me to write this. You didn't give me a textbook. You didn't say explain neural networks. You just said, make it simple for non-tech people, 15 minutes. And I wrote this. How? I've read hundreds of billions of sentences, from textbooks to tweets, from poetry to shopping lists. I learned how to start a sentence, how to end one, when to use a comma, when to sound friendly, when to be clear, when to pause. I don't know what AI means in a deep way. I don't understand consciousness. I don't feel proud when I write well. But I know based on patterns what sounds right. And that's enough. So what is AI really? AI is not a brain. It's not alive. It doesn't dream. It doesn't want anything. It's a pattern finder, super fast, super patient, super quiet. It doesn't think. It predicts. What word comes next? What sound fits here? Which photo matches this description? What reply would make sense? And the more examples it sees, the better it gets. Think of it like a library with 10 billion books. AI never reads them all, but it remembers which pages are next to each other. And when you ask for a story, it finds the page that feels most likely to be the right one. Why does this matter to you? Because AI isn't coming. It's already here. Every time you ask your speaker for the news, get a spelling suggestion on your phone, see an ad for something you just talked about, yes, it's AI. Use a map app that says traffic is heavy, take this route. You're using AI. And you don't need to understand how it works to use it. Just like you don't need to know how a light bulb works to turn it on. But now you know. You know it's not magic. You know it's not scary. You know it's just patterns. And patterns, we humans are experts at spotting them. That's why we built AI. Because we're good at noticing things. And now, AI is good at noticing things too. Final thought, you're not being replaced, you're being helped. Some people worry. Will AI take my job? Will it lie to me? Will it control my life? The truth, AI doesn't decide. It doesn't have goals. It doesn't have opinions. It only answers the questions you ask, based on the patterns it learned from human choices. If you use it to write a kind message, it learns kindness. If you use it to spread rumors, it learns that too. AI is a mirror. It reflects what we show it. So use it well. Use it to be clearer. Use it to be kinder. Use it to save time, so you can do the things only humans can do. Laugh with a friend. Hold someone's hand. Feel the sun on your face. That's your superpower. AI. It's just a tool. And you're the one who decides how to use it. Thank you for listening. If you'd like me to turn this into a clean pause, friendly script for your text-to-voice tool, just say the word. I'll remove all bold, add natural breathing points, and make it sound like you're speaking gently to a friend. You've already done something amazing today. You took time to understand. And that's what makes you human.